If you're a YouTuber in 2025 and not using AI tools yet, you're missing out. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that will help you create faster, edit smarter, and grow your channel like a pro. Let's get started. First up, ChatGPT. It's your ultimate idea generator. Need catchy titles, engaging scripts, or viral shorts concepts? Just type your niche, and ChatGPT gives you unlimited ideas in seconds. Tip: use prompts like, write a YouTube script for a 60-second AI hack video for best results. Second, Pika Labs. This tool turns text into video automatically using AI. Just describe your scene, and it creates cinematic clips you can use for intros or storytelling. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Third, OpusClip. This one's a lifesaver. It takes your long videos and automatically finds viral moments, turning them into shorts or reels, with captions and highlights ready to post. Next, Canva Magic Studio. You can now create AI-generated thumbnails, social posts, and channel banners instantly. Use the Magic Replace and Magic Expand tools to make perfect thumbnails in seconds. Finally, VidIQ. This browser extension helps you find viral keywords, optimize titles, and track competitors. It's like having an AI coach that tells you exactly what your audience wants to see. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that every YouTuber should use in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI hacks and YouTube growth tips.